Now this is the GFCI that we're going to go ahead and change, and I want to do some safety tests though. I'm not going to take it for granted that because I just turned off the breaker to the panel box that it's safe. So what I have in my hands right here is a device called a voltage detector. And the voltage detector is made by Greenlee. You can get this anywhere at a major hardware store. It's very, very handy and safe, a safety device that I use all the time. I do not touch anything electrical, work on anything electrical, unless I test it first. And this says very specifically to test on a known live circuit. So we're going to do that now. And I happen to have one here available. And you see that little tweet and the light going on and the noise going on. Well, that tells me that there is a live current here in this light. Now I'm going to go over here and test these wires here and test these again. Alright, so I have nothing. I'm also going to check it inside because this is what I fondly call the sniffer, and it kind of smells out any electrical current. None there whatsoever. So that tells me now that we're safe enough to go ahead and open up this receptacle box and start working on the wiring on the inside and changing out this GFCI.